Hey YouTube, it's me, Julian. Here's the Jaguar XE SV Project 8, really long name, new from 2019. So there's the name there, the car, the back of the card. Go ahead and pause and read that if you want to. All right. So metal body, of course, plastic base. Almost looks like the front lip would be adjustable or something because it's like split there, but it's not. It's just the way it is. Pretty sweet and orange. You got excellent details. It's a factory fresh, basically. Yeah, it is a factory fresh from the main line. So there's the grille and the headlights detailed in there with the emblem. Even these, whatever, I think that's also the grille down there, detailed in. There's the rear. It'll focus a bit better, maybe. But yeah, the taillights are in there, license plate, logo. Very, very sweet. There's the top. The side mirrors, excellent black looking rims. Yeah, I think Hot Wheels nailed this one. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos and keep collecting.